Hey everyone, welcome back to our today's video. So we are making our today's dish, which is biryani. We just added our dry spices and oil, and now just added our onions, which are chopped, cut, and now we have to just cook these until they become caramel in color. So I'm just mixing them and let it cook just for 5 to 10 minutes so they become cold and caramel in color. And put some more oil if you want according to your quantity. And here is our meat. It's a beef meat. And now I am just putting this into our plate, and we have to wash our beef, and you can see the pieces are pretty good. Now I am washing our beef very cleanly because our hygiene is very good for our immune system and our health. And yeah, please ignore my English mistakes because naturally I'm not an English person. So I'm just making videos in English for you guys. Now here is our some cloves of garlic, which we will mash, and we can also put this garlic close, like this way. You can see. Let's mix our onions. Let me put these garlic cloves into our pot because we are making a beef biryani. So we will not mash this right now. So let's cook this. Okay, now I'm going to pour some salt. It's according to your taste, and our red pepper, red chili powder, anything you can like according to your taste. If you like spicy, you can add more. And here is our turmeric powder, and it's very good for our immune system as well as for our any cooking dish, curry or any rice dish. And this is our dry coriander powder. So you can see our mixed spices powder is ready. It's 100% organic homemade masala spices. Okay, let's mix our onions, and you can see they are now a bit caramelized. If you want, you can add more oil to your onions and cook these onions at the medium flame. Let's add our meat right now. So I'm just recording my video with one hand, so please, if you see any kind of mistake, just ignore because I am a beginner vlogger or anything you can say. So let's cook and mix our meat with our onions, which are halfly cooked, caramelized. We have to mix this beef and add some spices to our beef until they cook very clearly. So you can see the water is separating from our meat, and that's a good thing. It will kill the smell of the beef. Let's add our spices. I just add the spices and mix that curry of our beef, and now just washing my rice. These are kind of basmati rice, which are used for biryani and pulao, any kind of rice dish. These are too much good rice. And here I just mixed spices and cooked very well our dish. And beef is already cooked. And here we are going to add our potatoes, which are in square shape, or maybe another shape. You can see better. Now I'm going to mash our garlic and ginger to make a paste, which we will add in our beef. And here we are going to add some tomatoes, and now we have to mix these tomatoes to our beef curry. Right now it's making a curry for our layers beef biryani. You can call it a spicy dum biryani or anything else. Now we are going to add our ginger garlic paste with tomatoes, along with tomatoes. Okay, so let me cook this. Yes, these green chilies are too much necessary to add, so let's mix this, and you have to put some water on this, and then leave it for 10 minutes to cook the onions. And right now I'm just putting a pot of water and some oil, salt, and these dry spices. This water is for boiling rice. We are adding some vinegar to our curry right now to give a bit sour flavor, and we call it in our natal language, it's kind of a chatpata masala, like chatpata taste in our dish. So let's mix this. Now we are going to make our special Bombay biryani masala. So as I'm from my native country, so this is very famous mixed spices masala in our country. So let's mix our curry, and here our rice are halfly 70% cooked. Now we are going to make a food color for our biryani. You can add a pinch of food color and 1 or 2 spoons of water in our color. Now we are layering first layer of potatoes and some curry, and we will add our rice. Let me finish this. Yeah, I just finished, and I'm going to add some meat into our second layer. We're just having only 2 layers in our biryani, and yeah, it's almost done. Okay, let's add our food color to give an very nice finishing to our biryani. So you can see it's now cooked. I just removed the plate, the dum of our biryani, and you can see how beautifully it's made. Hope so you guys like our today's recipe. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So goodbye, see you next video.